5, 4, 3, 2, 1. These two appeals by the accused have been filed against the common judgment of the Orissa High Court dated 9/11/2020 dismissing the criminal appeal numbers 207 and 210 of 1988 filed by the appellants. Both the appellants being the accused in Lal Bagh PS case number 273 of 1985 were tried in Sessions trial number 246 of 1985 for the offences punishable under section 304, 342, 323, 294, 201, 167, 477A, 477 read with section 34 of the IPC. Learned Sessions Judge convicted the accused Pratap Kumar Chaudhary under section 304 part 2 IPC to undergo RI for 8 years and accused Pravat Chandra Mohanty under section 304 part 2 to undergo RI for 5 years. Both the accused were further sentenced under section 471 IPC read with section 466 IPC to undergo RI for 3 years and RI for 3 months under section 342 IPC and RI for 1 month under section 323 IPC by judgment dated 29/8/1988. Aggrieved by the judgment of the trial court, the appellants Pravat Chandra Mohanty, hereinafter referred to as Mohanty, filed criminal appeal number 207 of 1988 and Pratap Kumar Chaudhary, hereinafter referred to as Chaudhary, filed criminal appeal number 210 of 1988 before the Orissa High Court. The High Court decided both the appeals by its judgment and order dated 9/11/2020, partly allowing the appeals. The conviction of both the appellants under section 304 part 2 IPC read with section 34 IPC and section 342/34 IPC was set aside and their conviction under sections 323/34 IPC and 471/34 IPC was upheld. The High Court convicted both the appellants under section 324/34 IPC. Simple imprisonment for 1 month was imposed under section 323/34 IPC. Simple imprisonment for 3 months for the offence under section 471/34 IPC and simple imprisonment for 1 year for the offence under section 324/34 IPC were imposed by the High Court. All the sentences were to run concurrently. Aggrieved by the above judgment, these appeals have been filed. When these appeals were taken by this court on 17/12/2020, learned counsel for the appellants confined his submissions to the conviction under section 324 IPC only. Learned counsel for the appellants further volunteered that the appellants are willing to compensate the family of the deceased. Following order was passed on 17/12/2020 by this court. Learned senior counsel for the petitioners confines his submissions to the conviction under section 224 of the IPC on the ground that what was used was a baton. He volunteers that the petitioners are willing to compensate the family of the deceased and that they are now in their middle 70s. On a court query, learned counsel offers and agrees to deposit rupees 3.5 lakhs each for the two petitioners, each totaling to rupees 7 lakhs as compensation in this court within 3 weeks, so that the total compensation admissible to the family would be 10 lakhs, taking into consideration rupees 3 lakhs awarded to the legal representatives of the deceased, which the state government would have paid. Issue notice on the SLP as well as on the interim bail returnable in the first miscellaneous week post the winter recess. We consider appropriate to implead the legal representatives of the deceased as respondents. Amended memo of parties be filed. Notice be also issued to the said respondents. Thusly, in addition, through the Standing Counsel for the State and to the legal heirs of the deceased in person.